What's up, man?
You
Talk to me.
can't rhyme. I can rhyme better than you.
Talk to me. All right, rhyme me better. Rhyme me a bar. Ready? License and registration, sir. Mira, güey. Mira, güey.
Ay, tienes peludo.
Mira, güey. Happy Halloween. Welcome back to a Halloween special. Alejandro shot to summer right now, so it's going to be me taking over real quick. But we're about to get ready for tonight. You can see behind me is part of my costume. Let me show you real quick. This is my costume. We're about to get ready. We're about to get in the whole costume. But yeah, the whole gang is gonna be in this video. They have no idea what I'm gonna be, so we're gonna show their reactions too, and we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna get ready. You already know. Go follow me on Instagram. Follow the brand. Show some love, and let's get ready. All right, so I'm in the bathroom right now. I got the setup right here. We're gonna apply this prosthetic, and then we're gonna do the makeup and everything. So wish me luck. I'll get to y'all once I'm done putting this shit on. Holy fuck. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Y'all see this? This is me, by the way. I still need the mascara and some lashes and the costume, of course, but that's about it for the makeup. Let's go surprise them. Hey, gente bonita, aquí ando con mi ma blanca. All right, I'm gonna finish up the makeup and then we're gonna go trick or treat. Valerie, are you ready?
No.
3, close your eyes. 3, 2. Open. Yo tampoco. ¿Qué onda, Matías? Bueno, mi gente. Aquí andamos. Valerie, I already know her. We got el compa el Matías también. We gotta go trick or treat. We're already late.
No, güey, this shit is bad, güey.
We're about to get there.
Güey, es que la línea se está moviendo, güey.
Me avisas, bro.
A ver.
Dale. Hey, yo doy miedo también, Ana. Doy... ¡Oh, la verga, Valerie! ¿Te pintaste con lipstick? ¿Qué usaste? No, para la sangre.
Sí, pero no encontré sangre. Me tocó.
Alright, it's me. It's the fucking cat. And the fucking cat. Let's see if we can get candy. Oh, shit, mira. Allá están todos.
Esperen a que llegue.
Ah.
Ahora sí, camináselo.
Gracias.
Who are you?
Me, I'm the cat in the hat. Thank you.
Good makeup.
Thank you. Bueno, mi gente, we're here on the street I grew up. I grew up in these streets. Oh, yeah. We got fucking Terrifier from Wish. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Pinche perro, nomás me dio un pedazo de dulce. Dije, costará tanto el dulce. I'm the real one. Yeah, he's fake. He's not real.
Yeah.
That one's not real. The one over there. Oh shit. What's up, bro?
Oh.
Matías, vente. I didn't know. Nowadays, you just go up to the houses and they're outside the porch. I didn't know that. I haven't gone trick or treating since I was what, like 4? Thank you. Love candy. ¿Verdad?
So cool.
Thank you. But that sounded like Jessica. Right?
Yeah.
Am I the only one that thought that was Jessica? Hay que tocar las casas que están apagadas. Nomás para cagarles el palo. ¿A que sí, Matías? ¿Por qué? Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good night. Y'all be safe. Very nice. Now, picture? Yeah, come on. Yeah, have a good one. Be safe. All right, we're gonna go get some candy. Why y'all staring? Why?
Hat in the hat.
Tell them that is you. Thank you. Have a good night. As we do it that way.
Mate una foto con Mate de tu teléfono que se me acabó.
No se le entienden ni madres. Well, people, we're getting a lot of compliments right now. I think it's because of the costume.
Oh, that's
Thank you, thank you.
What the fuck?
They look scary as hell.
Thank you. Hey, hey, hey.
God, can we get a picture? Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one. Be safe. Saludos al vlog. Aquí está mi mami hermosa con mis hermanas tan feas. Ella es muy diferente todo, ¿verdad?
There you go. Cat in the Hat meeting the Lorax. That was nice.
Thank you. We're going viral. Or not. I don't think we are. Of course. Already?
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one. Be safe.
Recording for.
Oh, YouTube.
What's
I,
up?
let me tell you.
My boy. Y'all be safe.
Hey, yeah, y'all too. You have a good one.
Hey, you get a bigger.
Oh yeah.
Y'all so ugly.
I'm so beautiful.
Y'all so ugly.
I'm so beautiful.
Yeah.
All right.
Nah, I gotta get the picture. I gotta get the picture too.
All right. Have a good one. Y'all be safe. I thought that was your key. Hey, fuck Dr. Seuss, right?
Ah, the cat in the hat.
Yeah.
Love it.
Thank you.
That's a great costume.
Thank you, man. You have a good one. I think I'm only getting candy because of the costume. I might be wrong.
Cat in the Hat, Dr. Seuss. I like him green.
Dang. Yeah, it is a cat. No doubt about that. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Halloween.
That's such a good costume.
Thank you. They don't know what I'm about to do tonight. Tonight I'm going crazy. Nah, I'm playing. Stop being a cat. I need to go in my litter box. Maybe. I might just be the cat in the hat. I'm not too sure. I'm scared of clowns.
Oh, we got cat in the hat.
Yeah. Fun. Oh, great costume.
Thank you. Happy Halloween. You have a good one.
Tiran por el cat in the hat. Hasta se puso la nariz.
Yo?
Trick or treat, some on my feet.
Give me something good to eat.
Give me something good to eat.
Thank
I love
you.
that costume.
Thank you, man. Dale, Matías. I think we're doing good. El soldado, de pronto llegan los soldados. 4 rápidas me atoraron. Bro, yo quiero más dulces, man. Es el gato. Es el gato. Es el gato.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello. Oh, hi. You call me. I really do. Hi. Gotta be PG for everybody. Pero ¿por qué me miran? Who called me? Who called me? One more time. I'll go over there.
Guys, cat in the hat like that.
No, it's right here, right here. Oh, let's go. Come on.
That's a cool costume.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bro, I remember this shit used to be so much scarier. Remember, Daniel? Yeah. We used to be fucking terrified of this shit. What is she supposed to be? Little Mermaid? Yes. That shit ugly. I'm fucking lying. Yeah, nah, that shit ugly as fuck. She looked at me. ¿Qué? Nada. Come on, get some candy.
Oh, there you go.
Where's that? Here, I'll just, yeah. Thank you. Oh, my gente. Phenol. This is phenol.
That's what.
Wow, it's sweaty. Maybe. I might be cat in the hat. I'm not sure though.
You is.
I am.
Cat in the hat. That's so.
What's up, man?
You
Talk to
can't
me. Tell me
rhyme. I
business,
can
bud.
rhyme better than you.
Talk to me. All right, rhyme me better. Rhyme me a bar. Ready?
I take the ball. I bounce it. I shoot. I miss it.
You miss it.
Wait. I switched it. Oh!
Hey, I don't know nothing about that, but hey, he outdid me that one. Candy? Man, they just took all my candy. Dale. Dale, gracias. Bye. Everybody loves cat in the hat. Who does not love cat in the hat, you know? When you go to cat in the hat and you reach and you... Yo! It's me. I'm the real one. What's up?
Can I get something? What's in there?
What, in here? All right, ready?
Come on. Bro!
All right, y'all want a picture? Ahí está. Yeah, have a good one. ¿Ese tiene dulces o no?
It's done, y'all.
Oh, man. Hey, I'll just take the animatronic. I'll take the bowl.
I'm rather outstanding.
Mega night!
I know him. I know him. Del video anterior. Creo que lo conozco. Creo que lo vi en North Park, pero no sé. You're
Yo no
stupid.
te conozco. Por eso César.
Yo no soy César, mira, yo soy César Antonio. Subscribe. Lo que dijo Matías. Suscríbanse, like, subscribe. Go buy some shirts. We still got some shirts. Yeah, we did. Duh. Porque Valerie tomó su tiempo. Really. ¿Ya te cansaste? Dale, ver. Señor policía. Arrest me, daddy. Arrest me, daddy. Virus, camínenle. Man, no te vas a caer. ¿Dónde está mi cameraman? Another one. All right, let's see. Let's see what you got in your bag. Ah, y'all funny.
If I beat you in rock, paper, scissors, shoot, I'll get your whole shit.
Oh, no. If I beat you, I get all that.
I ain't got shit, but you got it.
I barely got shit. The only reason it's heavy because I got my camera equipment.
I recording a YouTube video?
Yeah.
I'll show YouTube.
Hey, let me type it in. Here you go, my boy. All right, see you. Take care.
Real guy right here.
That's good.
Yeah. Thank you. I try, you know.
You sound just like him.
Really? Thank you. Let's go. Thank you.
Man, nice costume.
Thank you, man. Happy Halloween. El Ghostbuster anda de cameraman. Mira, cameraman, enseña tu outfit bien rapidito. His costume, by the way. This is Alejandro Shot's costume. He spent one band on it. Y dime por qué te pienso. Me lo dijiste en un... Hola, ¿quién me picó? Alright, Nicole's here. Let me see. So I'm gonna narrate this shit. Alright, we better. You did. We got Nicole here. Nicole, ya saben. Alright, artturofr is about to get here, so we're gonna get his reaction and see what he thinks of his girlfriend and of me. Come here. No, come here. Don't be scared. Come give me a little huggy. Bueno, mi gente, that's what he thinks of me.
Qué puto asco me da, güey.
Que le doy asco, ahí está. It's me, bro, it's me.
No, it's not you. You're the fucking guy in the hat.
This isn't me.
Güey, no eres tú. César, ¿dónde está? César, reacciona, no, you're in there. ¿Sí te he dicho que me da asco el cat in the hat?
No.
Me da asco.
Dead ass?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Who got the best costume, though?
Danielito.
Papi Finol.
César. Si no me habla y no sé quién soy vos. César, vos estabas pidiendo caramelo. Vos eras el que estabas allá pidiendo caramelo. Que le hiciste aquí. Ah, era.
Te vi.
Sí, pero yo no te
dije,
reconocí.
ya,
Ah,
los
pero en
vi.
la casa
Ajá, sí. ¿Cómo andan? We saw them at the trick or treating. Ese es Finol. Te reconocí por el Ghostface. Dije.
Pero yo no sabía que
Y
era.
por los zapatos, güey. Por los Air Forces.
Oh.
Yeah. Bueno, mi gente, aquí andamos. Siento de la verga, güey. Ya me emperré, güey. Estamos esperando a todos. Bueno, ahorita llega este cerdo. Está llegando. License and registration, sir.
Güey, si no queda miedo ese güey.
Güey, con cada mamá que solo César, güey.
Da. ¿De qué estás vestido, César?
De pinche gordo. Hey, los geek bars, why don't you buy geek bars anymore?
Because that was broke.
I get.
You get this dick in your mouth.
How much was it? 15.
15.
Yeah, of course.
¿Cómo se muere?
What are you supposed to be?
Nothing. I told you I didn't have a costume.
Bueno, mi gente, aquí
Oye, ¿y
andamos.
eso dónde van a caber?
Wait, what do you mean?
¿Tu
Don't
camioneta? Ah, what the fuck.
Aquí estamos parados, güey. Hay un disfraz muy
Valme por...
¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda, mijo?
Un beso.
¿Quién primero?
Está bien guapo.
¿Cómo anda?
Pero el gorro como que se desinfló, ¿no?
Mira,
Así me
mira.
pasó a mí, pero no con el gorro.
Mira,
Ay,
ya no
así
se me
hace.
para. Ya no se me para. Aretsi. ¿Qué onda, Neko? ¿Qué onda, Neko?
¿Qué onda? Estamos, son las bien pinche tarde y a ninguna fiesta hemos ido.
There's one that we're thinking of going to, but
Pues, ¿a qué horas?
aquí ando con mi compa aquí, mi compa cerdo, güey. Ya se estaba bajando el gorro, güey. Chingada madre. A ver, güey. ¿Nos aventamos unos vergazos o qué?
Ey, pero si corta o no corta, pa' ver. Pa' ver. Ey, Alex.
Bro, who the fuck is it?
Oh.
That's my costume. Yeah, that's my costume, bro. Goofy ass motherfucker. Goofy ass. Hey, who's more chopped? Hey, chat, who's more Who's more chopped? Ya, güey. Alright, do a close up on Cesar's face. No, do a close up on Cerdos. Porque comida, man. Nos geek bar, güey. ¿Oh, sí es, güey? A ver, güey. Mira, güey. Mira, güey.
Ay, tienes peludo el pito.
¿Qué, güey? Ábrete a verlos. ¿No sé?
Mira,
Ah, la verga.
mira,
No me hables.
mira.
No me hables.
No me hables. Wait, let me see him. Here, you have this one.
Okay.
Come on, mira. Ah,
El gatito tiene 9
a ver,
lives.
here, son.
Nicole, ¿por qué me
No, güey, porque me decís también.
¡Ay,
güey.
pendejo!
¿Verdad que sí duele, estúpido?
¿Por qué me mandas mensaje, Nicole?
En los ojos.
Me mandas
La dijo como Yaretsi.
En los laces.
La dijo como Yaretsi. Sin ojo. Ahorita todavía no.
Mira, la cintura. Bueno, amigos, le vamos a cortar aquí el video. We'll see you when we're at the parties. Is that right? If we make it.
Si llegamos. Pero córtale, güey.
Córtale, mira, le vamos a cortar. Bueno, mi gente, aquí llegamos. Honestly, I don't really know what to say, pero aquí andamos todos, güey, para que vean todo. Anyways, chat, I don't know how much longer we're gonna be here for.
What did I say?
I don't know.
Hey vlog. Hey Jessica. Happy Halloween.
I'm tired as fuck, but a ver qué pasa. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe. We love y'all. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the next one.